Namaste dear friend, my name is Tara. Today we are going to learn yoga warm-up sequence. This warm-up sequence is specially designed for those who they are preparing themselves for asana practice or wants to do some training courses or yoga teacher training courses. Here in this warm-up sequence we are working first with energizing the energy channels, then we are connecting to the body through the breath and working from base to top. So let's start the practice. Sit in comfortable pose where you can sit with a straight back. If you're finding hard to sit with a straight back, grab the blocks or use the cushion to sit higher and make yourself comfortable. First, the fire breathing we are going to practice here to energizing the energy channels. Watch me, I'm going to demonstrate the pose. Closing eyes, keeping back straight with inhalation, raising arms up. Breathing in from the chest and out from the chest. Practice here for 15 breaths. After 15 breaths, relax your arms and your shoulders. Take few breaths here and repeat again 15 breaths and repeat again 15 breaths. That means you are going to practice 3 rounds here. After fire breathing, energizing the energy channels, awakening the energy inside, we are going to do the calming breath to connect to the body. So for this, turn your palm to face up, keeping your back straight, eyes closed. With nice and long inhalations, raising palms up towards the ceiling. And with nice and long exhalations, moving palms down, back towards the knees or the thighs. Continue breathing. Practice 15 breaths here and do 2 repetitions. Remember here, the breath should be slow, soft and smooth. No force for inhalation, no force for exhalation. Your breath should be calm and relaxed. After breathing walk, we are going to start from the base to top. So the first and important is strengthening the base. The base is the most important for all asana practice. So what we are going to strengthen, what is the base is arches. So we are going to strengthen the arches with the practice of Utthita Tadasana. So please come up to the standing for this pose. Stand in feet apart, hip width distance, feet is facing forward. Bring your hands on your hip. With inhalation, start lifting your heels up. With exhalation, drop your heels down and lift your toes up. Feel the arches are lifting and stretching. Inhale, lifting heels up. Exhale, drop your heels down, lift your toes off the mat. Let's continue repeating. Inhale up, exhale down and lift your toes off the mat. Continue repeating for 15 times and do 2 repetitions here. After this, the next is strengthening the legs. The important part is strengthening the leg comes next to the strengthening the arches. So what we do for to strengthening the legs, we will need a block. Take the blocks and bring the blocks under your top inner thigh. Hold the blocks with your thigh and then roll your thighs in, squeeze the block. Roll your thighs in and squeeze the block. And then start pulling your inner thigh up. Pull your inner thigh up. So you can feel you are engaging your inner thigh, you can feel you are engaging your quads and as well as your hamstring. Nice. Now from here, bring your hands on your hip, roll your buttocks under, start bending your knees. Look down that you can see your toes. If it's not possible, push your shin bone back slightly to see your toes. And sit some more, stretch your arms up. Stay here, hold your pose for 30 seconds, keep breathing, and then bring your hands on your hip and come up. Do 2 more times, so do all together 3 repetitions. After strengthening the legs, next part is the core. We are going to strengthen the core with leg raising. Lying on your back. Keep your legs together, arms close to the body. Insert your one hand under your lower back and feel the space. If the arch is too high, you need to reduce the space by rolling buttocks under. Bend your knees and roll your buttocks under. Check again the space has been reduced. If there is no space left, you can extend your arms here again. Remember, if you have low back pain or weakness on your low back muscles, you can keep your knee bend here or support your low back by placing your palms under your sacrum like this. If it's okay, then keep it here like this. Extend your legs down. With inhalation, stretch your arms over your head. With exhalation, legs up and arms up towards the feet. Your head also coming along with your arms. Inhaling down, exhaling, coming up. Repeat 10 to 15 times here and do 3 repetitions. If you have a neck pain, shoulder pains, you can keep your head down and do the same practice. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. After this pose, bend your knees, turn one side, push and come up. After working core, the next part will come is the lower back. We need to strengthen the lower back. So here we are going to practice low course to strengthening the lower back. Lying on your belly, feet together, arms closer to the body. Forehead down. With inhalation, lifting head up, arms up, legs off the mat. Exhalation down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Practice here 10 times and do 2 repetitions. If you're finding hard to keep your arms here, you can extend your arms to the front. Inhaling, legs up, arms up. Exhaling, arms down and legs down. Move your palms close to the chest, push and come up to tabletop pose. Here with inhalation, start arching your back, head up. With exhalations, rounding your back, head down. Inhaling, arching the back, head up. Exhaling, rounding the back, head down. Continue practice with 10 times, do 2 repetitions. After this one, after awakening the spine, we need to awakening the spinal muscles. Stretching the spinal muscles and strengthening the spinal muscles. For this, we need to sit in open legs, the wide leg positions. Now here, when you have sit here, check that your knee, your thighs, knee, shin and center toe, they are in one line with one leg and other legs, keeping your foot flexed. With inhalation, extending arms to the side. With exhalations, extend the left arms towards your right leg. I'm keeping my right hands on my left hips. They're resting on my back and leaning forward. Inhaling up, exhaling, doing same with other side. Inhaling up, exhaling, doing same other side. So doing 10 times with my right side and 10 times with my left side. Next is the side stretch, stretching the torso from the side. Side muscles are going to work in this pose. Inhalations, arms to the side. With exhalation, bringing right hand to the left thigh, stretching the left sides of the torso, extending the left arms closer to the ears and extending the left arms now towards the right foot, twist and looking up. Inhalations coming up, doing same with other side. And this comes with fast movement, 10 times with right side and 10 times with left. So it will look like when you do with your faster movement. Inhale, exhale. So after awakening the spinal muscles, we go further into learning with shoulder opening. For shoulder opening, come up on your knees. Find easy standing here on your knees and get this strap for yourself. Wrap the strap around any of one hand, right or left, doesn't matter. Leave about 2 feet something. It can be increased, can be decreased according to your shoulder flexibility. With inhalations, arms up, exhale, arms back. Inhale, arms up, exhale, arms forward. If you find this breath is faster for yourself, you can do one breath. Inhale, arms back, exhale, arms forward. Inhale, arms back, exhale, arms forward. Inhale, arms back, exhale, arms forward. To 15 repetition. Next we are going to practice for strengthening the neck muscles, and along with the neck muscles we are going to strengthen the upper shoulder area and creating flexibility in the neck muscles. So first, strengthening the neck muscles. Bring your arms behind your head, interlacing your fingers and support your head from the back. Then with your hands push your head forward and keep pushing your head back. Keep pushing your head forward and pushing your head back. Hold your pose for 10 to 15 seconds. Use the strength from your neck to hold it. Hold and release. Relax your arms, relax your neck. Repeat one more time for 10 to 15 seconds. And after that, with inhalation, raise your left arms up and hold your left ear with your right hands. With exhalations, pull your neck towards the right shoulder. Hold here for 10 to 15 seconds and relax. Then do it same with other side, holding your right ear with your left hands and pull your neck towards your left shoulder. Hold here for 10 to 15 seconds and come up. Repeat one more time. With all the practice of warm-up sequence, find your limit and have a safe practice. Now close your eyes, relax your arms and shoulder. Take a long deep breath, inhale through your nose and exhale from your mouth. Practice 4 more breaths, long inhalation from your nose and long exhalation from your mouth. Calm and relax yourself